Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I made this Clickbank earning. Okay, so this is a withdrawal I received for Clickbank. You can see the date October 13. That's this previous Wednesday, because Clickbank actually sent payment every Wednesday. So let me refresh this page so you guys know that this is actually true and not any screenshots. Okay, it's loading. Just give it a little bit of time and to show up. I'll be showing you guys step by step how I made this. Okay, so watch to the end so you know how this is done. As you can see, it's showing $136. Okay, so I made this in a week. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Abdulhamid. Okay, this is online money hustle channel. We post video on how to make money online, paid affiliate marketing, CP marketing, okay, and different other method. But currently I'm doing videos on affiliate marketing using Clickbank, but you can also try this strategy using other affiliate platform. In my last video I created a video on how to create Clickbank account in Nigeria, because many people are saying they don't know how to create Clickbank account. So I've done a video on that, and I also showed you guys here how I made $274 on Clickbank. Okay, I showed you guys the proof. So if you have not watched it, you can go back to watch it. And if this is your first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you get notified. Click on all so you get notified anytime I have a new video on this channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into today's topic. Okay, so Clickbank, yeah, I love using Clickbank because it accepts it has a lot of products, and I just love the interface and everything. Okay, so you come over to CB engine. Okay, you will be able to see some kind of stats on Clickbank, like new products, top gravity, reviews, and the rest. So when you tap on new products here, to show a list of new products launched on Clickbank, you can see this. They'll show you that gravity. Okay, you can see them, not much. So product like these are new and people have not started promoting them. Those kind of product now you can jump into them, but not all you jump into. Okay, and sometimes all those kind of product, their name is not searchable. Okay, so if their name is not searchable, it will be very hard for you to promote. Okay, let's see this, and let me see that gravity. Okay, so miss video. Okay, let me see. But basically what you do over here is you will come over to this new product, check new product, look at their gravity, make sure the gravity is not 0, make sure the gravity is like over 10. Okay, 0 won't be good, and you can check the product whether it's good or not using keyword planner, Google keyword planner. But let me show you example here now. Let me go to top gravity. Is the best gravity, means the best selling product currently is Java Bone. Okay, yeah, the rank is number 1. Okay, you can see the gravity over 556. That means many people are actually promoting this product, and yeah, it's not basically whether they're making sale or not, but it shows that they are promoting this product a lot. Okay, so you can see number 2, Okinawa. So Java Bone, let's go over to keyword planner and check how many searches this product gets on Google. Okay, Java Bone. Okay, let me leave it as United States. Let me see, check results. Okay, so it's still loading. You can see this product gets averagely of 100 to 1k 1000 searches per month. Okay, and the competition is still medium, not much, because I think is not yet a old product, is new, but people are rushing into it because it's actually selling a lot. I've made sales from it. Okay, I can see the top bid, that means on Google ads. If you want to run ads on Google, this is the amount. If you want to rank at the first page, this is the amount you pay. It's still cool, still nice. Meaning this product, you can go for it. Because sometimes when you come over to this top gravity, you still see some product that the competition is medium and low. You can go for this kind of product and write some good review. Now if you enter YouTube now and search for, okay, let me show you, Java Bone review, you see a lot of videos about Java Bone. You see 5 days ago, 1 week ago, to say that the video, see 1,900 views, 1,900 views. See that many people are making review videos, 764 views. It's not a must you have a lot of subscribers on your channel before you can start this. Okay, you can start this right now. Start to build up a channel and record a video. It's just simple. You can just record, you just put a camera, your phone camera, read about the product first, then talk about the product, like talk about the advantages, disadvantages, okay, why they should buy it and how they should buy it. Okay, you just want to show your face, and you can just watch other people video and see how they did their own review. But mostly the best selling way is show your own face, so that the user will be able to believe you, and you able to believe you, so as you can able to persuade them to buy. Okay, it's not anything difficult, but the issue there now is ranking your video. Okay, you can see there are tons of videos. Okay, so ranking of video is another thing entirely, but you can come over to YouTube and search for how to rank video. It's not hard. Just make sure you put the right keywords in the title, in the description, and the tags. Okay, and also use the eye catching thumbnail. Okay, so currently this product, many people have done a video on it, so I won't say you guys to go for it, but you can see, you come later on, you come over some kind of product that many people are not on, that you be able to get sales on it. It's not much to go for the number one. You can go for the one that is on number 10 and the rest. So this is how basically it works. And if you don't want to record video, you can come over to media.com. Okay, here you can, media.com has some good authority on Google. So if you can write a good article on media.com, when you create an account, you tap here, write a story. Okay, so you have to write a long tail keyword, a long tail, sorry. Okay, you have to write a long article. Just search for Java Bone. Let me search Java Bone review. Let's search for it on Google and let's see the results we get. You see that there's articles on it, and most of these articles are from top sites, so you won't be able to outrank them if you use your normal blog. So media.com will be able to help you to outrank, because media.com have that authority already. But before you can rank on all this kind of thing, you have to check the first 5 articles there. Okay, check whether how many words they have, like how many words they have written. If you have written like 2,000, you have to write like 3,000 words. If they are written like 5,000, you have to write like 6,000. So you just have to write more words, like should be lengthy, and it should be of good quality that people will read to the end, because Google usually check bounce rate, because sometimes some people just enter the article and will just exit, and that will affect the ranking of your video, of your article, sorry. So these are basically it works. Either you do a video review or write review, and you don't have to write, you can go over to fiverr.com. You can order services, like other writing services from people. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, you can order writing service from people, and they'll write a good quality article for you. And this is like a bit of investment. Okay, and if you don't know how to do SEO, there are people that will do SEO for you on Fiverr there. You just have to record the video, and they're able to optimize your video and to rank, and from there you start making sales. Imagine you having like, let me say, 100 views on your video, knowing that the views are targeted, since it's people that are interested in the product that are searching for it. You actually make sale, and the average conversion on this product is over $100. Imagine making like three to four, let me say making 1 to 5 sales. Only one sale you have made over $100. Is that not cool? Okay, so this is how the method works basically, and I want you guys to give this a try after watching this video. So that will be all for today's video. I'll put up another affiliate marketing strategy you can use, but for now, keep using this. And if you have any question, kindly drop your comment down below. I reply to comment within 1 hour. Okay, and if you want to message me, you can check the link of description below. You see my social link. You can contact me, but I'll prefer you contact me over either on Facebook. That will be better. Okay, so kindly give this video a thumbs up if you actually like it, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Do have a wonderful day.